Good morning from Oriental Rug Care. Another day. Here we are. Guys are working like crazy out there in the plant. Tons of rugs to be cleaned today. A big pile. Figuring out the strategy for the day. But our strategy here in our repair room with lovely Miss Edlin is all done. So we have this wool rug that needs new fringing, and you see Edlin picked the right color. Look, we have this big old thing here, a real wool rug, and look, I mean, talk about the perfect color for this rug, to go this antique rug with this wool fringe. We do hand fringing on rugs. If you've been following our website or our video blogs, we do this, and look how flawless it is. She goes right in the same exact hole. Look at the detail. Our fringe work is well known. We have rugs scented from the Caribbean, often the Keys, Naples, and from Juneau. No, not Juneau, Vero, down the South Dade is what we service. We're Oriental Rug Care. We specialize in restoration rug, restoring rugs, and cleaning rugs. Call us today. OrientalRugCare.com.